Hey, it's Steve here again. I'm here to warn you about this company called 8 Sleep. And I shot another video. I'm going to be shooting a bunch more, but I just want to let you know, just kind of an advisory thing, that if you're thinking about buying an 8 Sleep item, think twice. And so let me show you. This is the 8 Sleep that I bought, brand new in the box. And this is the mattress portion. This is the hoses, and it goes to this pod. And what the pod does, it heats and cools water. And just like heated flooring, the water goes through here so you can either heat or cool your side of the mattress. And so this was purchased, and then I set up an account, and in less than 6 months, this thing failed. It's actually this right here, the pod, because you can hear it running still, but the water isn't circulating through there. So we know that's the problem. But I contacted 8 Sleep. I said, hey, bought this thing, set up an account, and it's not working. And my friend Joe, who's the VP of operations, was like, oh, well, we can't find you in the system here. It's like, dude, you have my credit card. I paid for a 2-year subscription. I bought the mattress pad for it too, the mattress cover. So what are you talking about? Less than 6 months, and this doesn't work? And you're not going to replace it? Not cool. So just want to let you know, if you're looking at getting an 8 Sleep system, when it works, it's great. But in terms of customer service, and my friend Joe there, man, if you have a problem with this thing, good luck, because it's not a good situation. This thing costs thousands of dollars. And for Joe to say, oh, I'm not going to replace it, not acceptable. Not acceptable. So just be forewarned about 8 Sleep, all right? Take care. Bye-bye.